Whenever I get gloomy with the state of the world, I think about the arrivals gate at Heathrow Airport. General opinion is starting to make out that we live in a world of hatred and greed. But I don't see that. Seems to me that love is everywhere. Fathers and sons, mothers and daughters, husbands and wives, boyfriends, girlfriends, old friends. When the planes hit the Twin Towers, as far as I know, none of the phone calls from the people on board were messages of hate or revenge. They were all messages of love. If you look for it, I've got a sneaky feeling you'll find that love actually is all around.
Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Nothing you can make that can't be made. No one you can save that can't be saved. Nothing you can do, but you can learn how to be you. Time is easy. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. 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 Love is all you need.
First thing we must learn is to love each other and not to hate anyone. Love is the biggest thing that God has given human beings. And that is what one has to try to develop it. Only human beings know how to love. Nobody else. Animals also love, but their love is so limited. But human beings, their love is so beautiful. They look beautiful only when they love. So I have to tell you not to make cheap love, but a love that you will enjoy and that another person will also enjoy. It's something to be understood. The way people understand love is sometimes very ridiculous. So one has to first understand what is love. Also to understand whether you love or not. If you really love the world, if you really love this creation of God, then there should be no hatred. There should be no fights. But just to see the good points. Sahaj is like a tree which requires love as the water. Try this. Try around your life and you will find that how love pays itself. It's not to be seen by how much you spend or what you do. It's not that you count all those things. It's just like an ocean floats everything around. You become like that, a typical personality of Sahaj.
Waves of love. Waves are approaching like messengers.
Waves are approaching like
Messengers are approaching
and
like
messengers are
waves.
approaching like
They
waves.
break the ropes that anchor thoughts.
And they announce the ocean to the shore.
Ocean to the shore. In the silent, quivering air, the shores of the island that is the heart watch for the awakening of the lovers.
Awakened by the soft sounds of loving waves.
Sounds of loving waves. Blissfully they run
Blissfully they run after each other, again and again.
again and again.
And whilst bubbling they spread eternal joy.
Drenching the island that reflects the harmony of loving messengers played out by the waves. And so the one who bestows her secret of the rolling waves creates a roar, allowing the heart to rejoice with their movement, flowing everywhere and finally reaching the heart.
Greatest guru that we have is love.